Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing some exciting topic that many of you have been requesting. If you want to explore different job opportunities and find the perfect fit for your skills and interests, well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to my channel where I share valuable job information. My name is May. On this channel, I discuss and share topics like remote jobs, gig economy opportunities, and the impact on today's various professions. It is understandable that finding the right job can be a daunting task.
In a world where content is abundant and competition is fierce, the need for error-free writing has never been more important. Whether it's a blog post, an article, or a social media caption, every piece of written content needs to be polished and well presented to make an impact. Proofreaders and editors play a crucial role in ensuring that spelling, grammar, and punctuation errors are eliminated, providing a professional touch to the content. Proofreaders and editors have the opportunity to work with clients from various industries, each with unique writing styles and content needs. As a proofreader or editor, you have the opportunity to work remotely, setting your own schedule and enjoying a flexible lifestyle. You can choose to specialize in specific niches or cater to a variety of clients, depending on your interests and expertise. In a nutshell, proofreading and editing offer a rewarding career path in today's digital market, filled with opportunities, flexibility, and the satisfaction of helping others achieve their writing goals. So, if you have a knack for spotting errors and enjoy refining written content, consider pursuing a career in proofreading and editing in today's digital age. Here are 10 companies that hires regularly for proofreading and editing. Average annual salary is $30,000 to $40,000 for beginners. $60,000 to $100,000 for experience levels. Some of these jobs provide pay rates and each one gives a brief description of what is needed to work for them. Scriber open to UK, US, Canada, South Africa, and Australia. Must be a native English speaker to qualify. Scriber editors may earn between $25 and $27 hourly. You must be available to edit at least 10 hours per week to work with them. Cambridge proofreading appears to be open worldwide. You must have at minimum a bachelor's degree to qualify to do work here. The average pay is between $20 and $25 hourly. Edit 911 appears to have ongoing openings for dissertation editors, thesis editors, and book editors. However, you must have a degree in English or other writing discipline to qualify for work. Edit Fast. This company pays 40% of the final project price to their editors. You must have a degree from a recognized university as well as past proofreading experience to qualify. Inago hires freelance editors worldwide for editing work in various academic subject domains. They require at least 5 years of relevant academic copy editing, substantive editing, proofreading experience. English trackers. You will need to be a native English speaker with 2 years of academic editing experience to be considered. This company allows you to work on your own schedule, and they pay out once a month for any work completed. IXL Learning has occasional openings for remote content editor, proofreaders. Must have plenty of experience. Check their job openings page to see if position is listed. Kibben copy editors reportedly earn between $17,000 and $19,000 per year. Editors in international time zones outside the US and Canada or with overnight availability are especially encouraged to apply. Kirkus Media frequently has openings for work-at-home editors, book reviewers, and also copywriters. They pay monthly via direct deposit. Master Prep has an occasional need for academic proofreaders who can proofread content and test the user experience for students and teachers in online platforms. You are paid by assignment and on completion. The job listing states the rate is $25 per hour. As a bonus, here are a few more proofreading and editing jobs that hires often. Average salary per year. Beginners $15,000 to $30,000. Mid-levels $30,000 to $60,000. Experience level $60,000 to $100,000. Wordvice specializes in academic and admissions proofreading and editing, offering remote positions for experienced professionals. American Journal Experts, AJE, hires remote freelance editors and proofreaders to work on academic manuscripts for publication in scientific journals. Grammarly provides remote proofreading and editing jobs for various types of content, including blog posts, articles, and social media posts. Proofreading Pal offers remote opportunities for proofreaders and editors to work on a wide range of documents, such as business reports, resumes, and personal statements. Proofreadingservices.com offers remote proofreading and editing jobs for various types of documents, including academic papers, business materials, and websites. Scribendi provides remote editing and proofreading opportunities for a wide range of content, such as books, essays, and marketing materials. FlexJobs, an online job platform that lists remote proofreading and editing positions from various companies and industries. Upwork, a freelancing platform where you can find remote proofreading and editing gigs by browsing job postings or creating your own profile to attract clients. In today's rapidly evolving world of communication, where information is disseminated at an unprecedented pace, the importance of proofreading and editing cannot be overstated. These roles serve as the gatekeepers of quality content, ensuring accuracy, clarity, and coherence. In conclusion, proofreading and editing are not just good jobs. They are vital for maintaining quality, credibility, and effective communication in today's information-driven society. As we navigate this era of information overload, the demand for these essential roles will only continue to grow.
If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comment section below. I would love hearing from you and value your feedback. If you haven't, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay updated with all the latest videos on my channel. Lastly, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video.